Now that the machine is set up, step 2 is pre-spraying the restroom with cleaning chemical. Turn the selector dial on the back of the Cr2 from the rinse position to the soap position to prepare for pre-spraying chemical in the restroom. Now you will lay out the solution hose from the machine to the farthest corner of the room and connect one end of the solution line to the quick connect on the machine and the other end of the solution line to the quick connect on the spray gun. Adjust the spray gun to low pressure by pulling out on the nozzle, then adjust the spray into a fan pattern by twisting the nozzle. When pre-spraying urinals, start at the top on the fixtures, then coat the inside of the urinal, then the outside with cleaning chemical. Pre-spray the wall under the urinal and finish on the floor. Move on to the next urinal and keep a quick pace so you don't waste chemical and water by over-applying, which will add more extraction time later in the process. When pre-spraying toilets, start at the top with the fixtures. Spray the seat and hinges, then behind the seat, then under the seat, inside the toilet bowl, around the outside of the toilet bowl, and finish on the floor under the toilet. If necessary, you can also pre-spray partitions to get them clean. After a few deep cleans of the restroom, this step will only be necessary from time to time. Save the mirrors for last to avoid streaking, and finish off with the other fixtures like sinks and even the walls if necessary. After pre-spraying all the fixtures, go to the machine and turn the chemical feed dial to rinse. Spray the remaining chemical that is in the solution line on the floor to prepare for the high pressure rinse. For difficult spots, you may need to do some scrubbing before you rinse. You can use the dual head squeegee wand to scrub tough spots by flipping over the head to the scrub brush side. The curved shape of the squeegee wand makes it easy to scrub under urinals and under toilets. Now that you have pre-sprayed the restroom and scrubbed difficult spots, it's time to move on to step 3 of the cleaning process, which is the pressure wash.